Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the University Village Apartments on Walker Road in the North Jackson, Tennessee area, ready to share with you yesterday's and today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days shortly. Turned out to be a beautiful day, a little cool this morning, but it warmed up very nicely and had lots of sunshine. We got a beautiful moon out there tonight. It's bright, it's about as bright as it can get under clear skies, and more of that's coming, at least through I believe Monday. I think it's going to be Monday night before it rains again, or the chances of rain comes in Monday night and Tuesday, I believe. Alrighty, let me go ahead and get on to yesterday's climate summary. Yesterday's low temperature here in North Jackson was 34 degrees. Yesterday's high was 64 degrees. Had no rainfall yesterday here in North Jackson. Highest wind gust was 12 miles per hour out of the east at 9:46 a.m. Yesterday's warmest low in West Tennessee was 64 degrees right here in North Jackson, and the coldest low for West Tennessee yesterday was 28 degrees, and that was at Union City, Tennessee. Now today's climate data, as of 5 p.m., the skies were clear here in North Jackson, and the temperature was 56 degrees. The dew point was 32 degrees. The humidity was at 41%. The wind was calm, and the barometric pressure was 30.13 inches of mercury. Now today's low temperature here was 41 degrees. The high today was 69 degrees. And I had no rainfall today since midnight, of course. Lowest humidity today was 27% at 2 and 3 p.m., while the highest would be 93% at 2 and 4 a.m. this morning. The lowest barometric pressure today would be 30.13 inches, and that happened at 2 through 5 p.m. this afternoon. And the highest would be 30.20, and that happened at 8 a.m. through 10 a.m. this morning. Now, today's highest wind gust hadn't really been all that high. Wind's been kind of light most of the day. 9 miles per hour is the highest out of the north at 11:35 a.m. This morning. Now, the records for today, December the 2nd, hottest high would be 77 degrees in 1982. The coldest high would be 28 degrees in 1985. The warmest low would be 68 degrees in 1982, while the coldest low would be 16 degrees back in 1960. Today's rainfall record would be 2.74 inches, and that happened in 1967, and no snowfall record today. Alright, that pretty much covers the stats for you. I guess I'm ready to show you a few maps and graphs, and that actually may be it. It's not a whole lot going on. Weather is tranquil, nice, decent, a little on the cool side, clear, and here's proof other than going outside and looking at it. Tennessee, once again, is just about cloud-free. Both ends and in the middle of Tennessee, and around us too don't look too bad. Alright, let me branch on out to the region. I'm going to say I've already hit it. Finally took. Not too bad for the southeast. Tennessee in general is clear. And a fair amount of the southeast. Florida's clear. Some clouds down there in Texas. That may be our Tuesday rain. Otherwise, good part of the country is still decent looking. Looking at the nation, about the same thing. Yeah, good and clear here in our area. A lot of clouds down there around Texas and New Mexico headed in our general direction. Few clouds up north in the Great Lakes area and up in the northeast and off of the east coast. And some clouds, of course, in the Pacific Northwest. But other than that, we got a clear map, satellite map anyways. Well, alrighty. Let me see if I can lay this down. And go to the radar. And Tennessee looks clear, of course. The satellite picture proved that. Now the radar pictures, radar has proven it too. Alright. I'm going to have to click one more button to get it to move. And there it's moving. There you see Tennessee, precipitation and cloud free this evening. Even as of 7:30 p.m. Alrighty. Let's move on out to the Southeast Regional. The only precipitation on this map is over in eastern North Carolina and off of the coast of North Carolina out in the Atlantic. Might be a few little showers off of the islands of the Bahamas down there in the Atlantic. And a few showers off the coast down in the Gulf. Otherwise, it's pretty clear. Alright, let me see what's the national view. About the same thing. Some showers in New Mexico. Look like snow up there in the northwest, especially in Montana, Idaho, and Washington State, and some in Oregon and Northern California there, and a little bit of Wyoming, and look like it's mainly rain though. Well, I don't know, it might be snow. Look like the rain is changing to snow in New York and on up in Maine and that part of the country, and other than that, everything looks clear. Alrighty. Well, let me move on to the current surface map then. This is courtesy of the Weather Channel, of course. And let me see, move this one out of the way. There we go. This one's as of 8:12 Eastern, 7:12 Central Standard Time. Fairly recent. There you see where the highs and lows are to our southeast and to our west. Trough of a weak cold front stretching from Canada down to that low in Oklahoma. That's a long stretch for a trough, isn't it? And a stationary front connecting to that low in Oklahoma there. And there you see the other highs and lows out west. And where it's showing the snow and the rain in parts of the country. Actually, that other satellite picture shows the snow a little heavier than what this map is showing. Yeah, it's showing it, but just not as intense. Alrighty. Well, that's tonight's surface map for you. So I guess I'm ready to go ahead and read you the forecast, detailed forecast for our area. And let me see if I can bring it up here. Let me get this down low real quick. There we go. Now I can read it better. It's fair skies, mostly clear actually for the rest of tonight, on into Sunday, and into at least Monday morning, possibly Monday night before it becomes cloudy again. It's going to be fair tomorrow, with a low near 39 degrees, a high of 69 degrees. It's going to almost hit 70 degrees again tomorrow. Remember today it hit 69 degrees. Well, we have a chance to hit it again tomorrow. So it'll be another beautiful day tomorrow. And by the way, I forgot to give you what normals are. Normal low is 34 and normal high is 54. Alrighty. So we're going to get up to about 69 again tomorrow, like I mentioned, with east winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour. The sunset tonight at 4:42 p.m. Be rising in the morning at 6:48 a.m. The moon will be setting tonight, or tomorrow morning I should say, at 5:19 a.m. and be setting tomorrow evening at 5:12 p.m. Now the sun will be setting tomorrow evening at 4:42 p.m. and the moon will be setting Monday morning at 6:30 a.m. Alrighty. And speaking of that, Monday, it looks like we're going to have fair skies, like I mentioned, till around 3 or 4 o'clock, which is almost sunset now, not far from it, somewhere between 3 and 5, I'd say that. And then it's going to become mostly cloudy. And then we have an 80% chance for rain moving in by then for the rest of Monday night. With a low near 48 degrees, a high of 72 degrees. Monday is going to really be nice despite the rain. But remember, the rain's going to hold off to Monday night. So that means probably most of Monday is going to be beautiful. All right. And it'll be a little windy. South winds at 15, gusts to 25 miles per hour. And the full moon, by the way, is Monday, complete, even though it looks full tonight. But it's close enough a couple of days early, or a couple of nights early. But it will be full on Monday night. And by the way, it rises Monday night at 6:11 and sets at 7:40 Tuesday morning. The moon, that is. And speaking of Tuesday, it looks like it's going to be mostly cloudy, with a small 40% chance of rain till noon, but remaining mostly cloudy to about nearly midnight, and then becoming fair. With a low near 46 and a high of 50, it's going to cool off after that rain, with north winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour. And looks like Wednesday and Thursday, mostly clear skies both days, with low near 32 degrees Wednesday, high of 51 degrees, with north winds of 10 to 20. And on Thursday, fair skies, low near 29 and a high of 46, with west winds of 10 to 20 on that day. Now, I've been mentioning how cold it's going to be getting toward next weekend. It's warming up a touch. It's not going to be super cold, but it's going to be cold. I'll give you a little idea. Friday, fair skies, low near 24, high near 45. 25 for low Saturday morning with fair skies. Next Saturday morning, or this coming Saturday morning. Well, yeah, that'll be next Saturday morning. That's right. Low of 25 and high of 48 next Saturday, December the 9th. And then next Sunday, December the 10th, mostly clear, low near 24 and high of 46. Now that's cold, but not super cold. Now to me, super cold, and you can get on down into the teens, the highs in the 30s. That to me, I call that super cold. And that's not projected at this moment. I'll go ahead and give you Sunday. I don't think I gave you that. Next Sunday, December the 10th, mostly clear, low near 24, high of 46, with west winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then actually, starting the following week, it's going to sort of start warming up a little bit. Like 28 and 52 for a low and high on Monday, December the 11th. Alright, that's 10 days out there, give you an idea sort of what to expect as of right now at least. In the meantime, clear skies, nice weather, beautiful moon, and a low tomorrow morning about 39, and again high tomorrow about the same as today, 69. Would not surprise me if it hit 70 or even 71 tomorrow. Well, okay, that's it for tonight, folks. I hope you had a pleasant day. Hope you have a beautiful Saturday night. I will wind up having a beautiful Sunday, December the 3rd, 2017. And, of course, I hope I get a chance to talk to you again tomorrow night. And until then, sweet dreams, my friends, and thank you for checking in. And may God bless you. Good night.